My favorite car multimedia display just got better. It now has Android system, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of onboard storage, which means you can now download any app you want to use on the display, and which is also a good thing because you can now use the display as a standalone device. And I'm going to compare it with the previous ones I've been using so many different copyright display for so many years now. And the last one I've been using in my car has a dash cam. And man, I loved it. The fact that a display has a dash cam, so simple, 2-in-1. The number one thing I love the most is the simplicity of installation. Installing their display doesn't require any professional knowledge. It's so simple that even your grandma can do it. So simple. And for the features, it has phone link, navigation, an IPS touch display, SD card. Yes, you can put in an SD card. There is a rear view camera. Yes, the camera is optional. There is voice control. You can use the Google Voice Assistant or Siri. There is aux input and there is FM radio. All right, let's open it up and see everything that comes in this package. All right, the first thing you can see is the display. Oh, nice. Beautiful build, much slimmer than the previous one. And I have the previous one here. Check it out, man. All right, these two right here. Look how big the old one was. Very heavy, very big. But the new one is slim, small, and more compact. And the crazy thing is, this new one is 11 inches. While the big one, the old one, is 10. But look at the size. This is crazy. So I like the fact that the company has gone with more compact and nice looking, slim, lighter display. Let's see what else comes in the package. All right, there is the power input, the power cable. This is right here. It's USB-C and a 12-volt input, which also have a USB-A. Very long cable. I like that. A suction mount. The suction mount is one of the ways you can install it on your dashboard. The suction mount. And it extends, let's see, yes. See that? You lock it in place. And it swivels too, up and down. What else do we have in here? Okay, this is another means of installing it on your dashboard. I normally use but this one because it's very simple and it looks clean on my dashboard. I like to use this. It comes with a 3M tape, which you're going to put it right here, stick it on your dashboard. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, even your grandmother can install this display. That's how simple it is. Aux input and a little bracket. Quick start guide is here too. So that's everything that comes in the box. As I mentioned earlier, this display is 11.26 inches IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 by 720. And nice build. It's plastic, but this looks way compact and nicely put together than the previous one. For real, this looks well put together. And the reason why it's more compact and more smaller is because the company reduced the bezel. If you look at the previous one, it has a huge bezel all around. Check it out. Huge bezel. But these, the bezels are much smaller, so it's much more compact thanks to the smaller bezels. And at the back, as I mentioned earlier, you can use SD card. You can put in an SD card to increase the storage. There is aux input. There is the USB-C to power on the display. All right, they're all here. There is a speaker at the back, a nice little speaker, but I mean, listen, you're just gonna use your car interior speakers. But this sounds okay, just okay. On top, there is a power button right here. So you can turn off or you can power off the display if you don't want to use it, or if you're trying to be discreet without having too much light in the car, you can power it off. Nice display, man. Nicely built. I really like it. All right, guys. Right now the installation is completed. And as I mentioned earlier, even your grandma can install this thing. That's how simple it is. It doesn't take much time. It doesn't require any professional knowledge. anybody can install it, and cable management is so simple. That's because you only need one cable. I mean, probably two if you are installing the backup camera and the power cable. That's all. So cable management is very simple. As you can see, there is no cable running on my dashboard, zero cable at all, because the cable management is so simple and easy. Everything is installed, and when you start up the display, I mean, woof, this company has finally got it right. The display is big, bright, very colorful, so much contrast. I really love this display right here. And as I mentioned earlier, the display is bigger, but the device is much smaller thanks to the smaller bezel as compared to the first one or the previous ones I've reviewed from this channel, which they had huge bezels. This one has smaller bezel, but yet the display, the screen size is much bigger, which I love so much. Using Waze or Google Map on this thing is incredible. Looks amazing. You won't miss your destination because the map is just so big that you see everything so clearly. I really love this display right here. And being able to have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto is just amazing. It's also good for safety reasons because you don't have to keep checking your phones. You can also split the display, which makes it better for multitasking. So kids could be watching videos on one side of the screen while you are using navigation on the other side of the screen. And as I mentioned earlier, it is running on Google system. So you can watch, I mean, when you're driving, your kids could be watching YouTube, videos on YouTube, or watching movies on Netflix. I mean, you cannot do it because you have to concentrate on your driving. But if you're packed somewhere, you can also watch your Netflix. And I like how the company did it because you can use this display as a standalone device. You can use it to watch movies. The display allows you to connect it to a home network, a Wi-Fi, or hotspot. So you can watch movies anywhere, videos anywhere, anytime, thanks to the fact that the display can be used as a standalone device. So there's so much I love about it, so much. So now the only thing I would say is my drawback or the downside is I wish the company could have integrated a dash cam on this one right here. Imagine this display having a dash cam. That would be the ultimate. If you guys could increase the display to, let's say, 12 inches, then still running on the Google system and having a dash cam. That's my wish list right there. That's my wish list. That will be ultimate display, guys, for real. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any question about this display right here. I'll reply to all questions. I highly recommend it. I'll drop the link, the Amazon link, or the company website in the description below. Go right ahead and buy it. This is a must-have for any type of cars. Old cars, new cars, modern cars. If you just want a bigger display to be able to see the map or your Waze when you're traveling to get to your destination without making mistakes, this is something I highly recommend. And again, the biggest selling point, the biggest thing I love about it, installation, so simple. Even your grandma can do it.